This is a short, important notice. You need to be informed that all businesses and companies registered in Nigeria must register on this TaxProMax website. I mean, this TaxProMax website. And the important requirement of registering on TaxProMax website is the tax identification number, which is something you can get from the FRS, now the NRS. So that is an important requirement for registering on this TaxProMax. To ensure tax filing or proper compliance updates such as opening accounts, you need to have this tax forms done, that is your tin validated. Let me make it simpler. You see, tax forms is like registering and activating a new sim. You know, if you are being given a new sim, it should just be like a number, and it will be useless without registration and activation. Even if you register it, if you don't activate it, you won't be able to use it. That is how tax forms is for tax filing, account opening, or upgrade, which is to tell you that it is very, very much important. You see, this tax forms website, even though it is still showing FRS, it has been changed to what? To NRS. So I'm sure it's a particular glitch or something. But you see, this tax forms, this is the inner side of your business. It's just like a post incorporation portal for CAC, the inner side of your business where you can file tax and file VAT and get your tax clearance certificate and all of those things. So this, if the banks are requesting for a validation of your TIN, it is very, very much understandable, because it shows how compliant and how serious your business is, and even how serious and ready your business is for that opening or upgrade. Because you can just get a TIN number and not use it, just like you can have a SIM without registering or activate it, or without registering or activating it, or maybe you register it and you not activate it, or maybe you forgot to. So it's just as if like you are telling them, okay, we are ready for this. That is what validation means to them, and it is very, very much important. So if your banks are not accepting the TIN number, I mean this TIN number you are generating from this place, you need to get the FRS TIN number, that is the FRS tax identification number. There is still a way you can get it, and that is why you have to reach out to us. We can help you get it done through emydigital network. So we can help you get your tax identification number with the tax numbers validated. And also, if your business is ready for tax filing, maybe you want to start filing tax, or you want to even open account, we have or even you want to open like a corporate account, we have links with banks officers that we have partnered with, that you can open your account with smoothly, right? So that's just the importance of upgrade. But there's a big difference between these tax forms, your TIN, and your FRS TIN number. So you need to know that, right? Thank you very much, and that will be all. If you have any question, just let us know in the comment section. We'll be right there to answer you.